Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install and configure Laravel 9 on Ubuntu 22.04. 22.04 Ubuntu, this is latest release. This is my server information, IP address, Ubuntu version, operating system 22.04, RAM, disk space, service Laravel 9, database version MySQL 8.0, hostname fully FPDN laravel.technologyrss.local. Now I am checking server version and IP address Ubuntu 22.04, and this is my IP address, and check hostess file already edited is IP address and fully FPDN name. Then must be your server update and upgrade using this command for latest update. Update and upgrade done. Now install PHP repo. Now add PHP repo. Press enter to continue. Add this PHP repo, and then apt update. Then install software common properties and some package zip and unzip. Press enter, and if you need auto remove command, so you can run this command, otherwise not needed. And then install PHP package, PHP 8.0 and Apache web server for your Laravel server. PHP 8.0 installation done. Now install database server, MySQL server and MySQL client. Must be MySQL server, port server 8.0. Now done MySQL server installation, and now start this package MySQL service start, and then check status is running 2 seconds ago, successfully active running MySQL service. And now download Get Composer from getcomposer.org, installer PHP, and then move into user local bin file and set up executable permission. Now start Apache service and enable Apache service. Then go to your root directory, Laravel project directory, and then git clone Laravel configuration file from github.com/laravel/laravel.git. Download done. Now going to Laravel folder, and then show my standard user for install composer. Must be use standard user, not use root user. Type your standard user password and press Y for continue as a standard user. It will take up to 5 to 10 minutes for download and installation process done. Installation done. Now again going to my root user, type your root user password and set up some permission. Students folder permission, and move into .env.example file into .env, and then run php generate command, then create Laravel database. Now I am logging MySQL terminal without password because I am not setting MySQL root password, and then create database username Laravel_db, Laravel_user, and password Laravel_user@123. Now exit from your MySQL terminal and then open configuration file and add your database info into your .env file, database username and database password, then save and exit, press escape, type clone wq, then press enter for save, and then run php migrate. Yes, running migration, user creation table, create password table, create failed job table, create personal access token table, all is successfully done. Now open php configuration file, Apache web configuration file, and add document root directory. This is my document root directory, and then add these lines into your default web configuration, and then again set up permission for your project folder, and then restart your web service Apache, or you can use Nginx or any other web server. Then access your default server IP address, and you can show your default Laravel page is coming. Yes, Laravel is successfully installation done. Documentation, latest news, Laravel news, Laravel version 9.22.1 and PHP version 8.0.2. You can check your Laravel documentation from laravel.com docs, 9 version, installation configuration, directory structure, how to use your application. There is full documentation from official website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.